Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. As we move towards a British referendum vote on June the 23rd, I'm going to be taking a look at the currencies that are going to be most affected by that vote, namely the British pound and also the euro currency. Today I'm going to be having a look at the British pound against the US dollar. I'm going to be having a recap of what's been happening in the last few days, and also I'm going to be identifying some key technical levels. So what we've seen in this pair since Friday, we've had a large move down. I mentioned last week that we were trading underneath the 200-day moving average, but also we've been trading above the 100-day. Well, on Friday, the opinion polls came out from the independent newspaper showing that the Brexit camp to leave were ahead in the polls by 55% as opposed to the 45% stay. So that's caused a down move on Friday, and we've had a clear break here of the 100-day moving average located at 143.50. So we now know that the 143.50 level is a key resistance area if we do look for some bears who want to pile in and to get short this pair. So I thought today I'd have a look at some historical levels on Fibonacci, and also I'd have a look at a key trend line that the market's been respecting. So what I've done is I've gone back here and I've found a high that was set on the British pound back in the 1980s, and I've attached that to a low that was set in the British pound around 1985. So the high was located at around 240 and the low was located around the 105 level. So from that I've got a Fibonacci reading, and the last Fibonacci support, and actually the low of this year, was 138.28, and we can really see that that's as we move forward. And I think if we do want to test that low, it's very worth our while having a look at the Fibonacci, the last line of support there, because it may be a good area for traders to step in and to try to defend that level. I've also drawn a key trend line here that the market has been respected, and we've had some good bounces off this trend line. Some 1,000 pip bounces, and again as we move back down to it, it's located around the psychological 140 level. So as we start to lose these critical support levels, I think it's very worthwhile looking at the 140 and also the 138.30 level. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers.